is going on, guys? So just got done doing a little bit of driving. I did a little bit of driving with Mom a little bit, and I just on some of the back roads. And my dad has a 2014 Ford Focus, and something about the rear lift gate thing wasn't working, and blah blah blah. So they gave him a free repair, and I had, well, since we had literally just gotten into the garage when he texted Mom and said, "Oh, the Focus is done, we gotta go pick it up." So I took it there, and blah blah blah, you know, and it's fucking slow as hell in my town. I think it's like, the speed limit is like 25 through the town, but like through the square and everything. So it's kind of annoying, but whatever. And so I dropped Dad off at Apple Ford, and you're coming home, and the one intersection, the second intersection from the dealer, or whatever you want to call it.
Yes, clean up your room.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, so basically the second intersection I was going through, and at this time of the day, traffic is kind of sucky. Like, you know, you go like 10 miles an hour and then you stop, and then you go like 5 miles an hour and then you stop, because every fucking red light. So one thing, it was still green. And I had inched my way into the intersection to go across. So I go, and this dumbass in like a Pontiac, old, not old, but like maybe late 90s, early 2000s Pontiac's SUV turned. And I had the right of way because I was in the intersection. This dumbass pulls out in front of me and, you know, bleep, 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 you know, all that fun stuff. So, you know. And tomorrow I go for my Eagle Scout project meeting. And tomorrow for Pennsylvania, it is the first day of trout season, and as you can tell, hopefully, it's just a tad rainy. So I don't know if we're going fishing or not. I know me as a Mom and Dad aren't going, but my uncle's friend Travis has his own creek that he stocks, and he oh my god, I have like a stutter. But every first day of trout season, he has all of his friends come down and fish and stuff. But with the rain, I don't know if we're going. So hopefully we go. If we do, I'll get some footage. So yeah. So see you guys next time.
Hey, hydrogen's lighter than air. You didn't have as much moisture in this one.
Let's still blow it up though.
You just let it float.
Throw it up in the air.
Yeah, just throw it up in the air and explode it.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Throw
it. Look, you going up. You might want to light your candle.
Yeah, let's light the candle. How much time do we have?
1 minute.
Probably like 2 minutes.
1 minute. Can you pop it up there, somebody?
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh my god.
I ain't scared. I ain't throwing up.
Just tell me when you're
Throw it
set.
in the air.
Ready,
Throw it up, throw it up.
set.
Watch it all fall out.
Shut up.
Where's the
name?
Now,
Here comes down in bed.
Is it even flamed? Let's all watch it.
Stay after the bell. Stay after the bell.
Run.
Yeah.
You said geometry.
I feel like a girl right now about the videotape. Why am I there?
All right.
Move,
Get
Alejandro.
back, Alejandro.